Everyone, welcome back. I did something I thought I would never do, and that is buy a Goodyear bicycle tire. With all the amazing brands on the market, you know, Conti, Pirelli, Vittoria, Michelin, etc., I just never saw a need for these tires. I don't really have any bad opinions of Goodyear, but they weren't really ever on my radar, and their tires always tested just okay on bicycle rolling resistance. But that changes, well, last week, but today we have the Goodyear Eagle F1R Z29 Areo. This is the custom Goodyear tire built specifically for the ZIPP 454 NSW and the SRAM, the Firecrest 404 by ZIPP wheel as well. These tires are designed to measure 29, which is the external width of these wheels, as well as the 404 Firecrest. We can see here, designed for ZIPP. And I have some initial thoughts and opinions on these tires. I've taken them on a few rides. The front tire on this bike used to be the 32 Michelin Pro 5. That tire is actually on the rear now. My rear got a puncture, and so I put the front to the rear and then bought this tire. So let's do a quick measurement. These are supposed to measure 29 on the wheel, and we're measuring at 29.5, 29.6. Now these 32, just for a comparison, 32 Michelin Pro 5 are measuring 34.4. 23 internal. Now most tires are measured off a 21 internal rim, so you can kind of see that these those are some chunky boys, and these actually came in undersized, obviously for 21. So pretty good seamless fit. When you come to the edge, you can really see the rim right away. It's a nice, really seamless transition. In fact, we can kind of put this thing. You can kind of see the edge of the rim. It doesn't touch the edge of the tire. Now looking at the tire a little bit closely, we can see we have these arrow dimples, which more or less match the ZIPP 454 dimples, which are actually hexagons. These are circular. And then we also have a lot of this kind of fuzzy tread around the tire. They're basically every, I'd say 8 inches, you have more dimples. So initial thoughts on these tires, they felt pretty good. They're much stiffer under sprinting than the 32s I had on here. They're definitely less comfortable, but much more accurate when steering, less vagueness. I'd say more direct steering. Made the steering much more just accurate. So what I find interesting about these tires is I don't believe they're the Eagle F1Rs just in a different pattern, because the Eagle F1Rs, which is just the normal high performance tire from Goodyear, only comes in 28, 30, 32. And on bicycle rolling resistance, that was 14.7, 52. We're gonna switch to this view, and 75 wet. The Eagle F1 SS Super Sport R TLC 28 had a puncture resistance of 33, so much less. A rolling resistance of 10.2, which is pretty good for 28, and a wet weather grip of 76, so that's pretty good. And those tires on bicycle rolling resistance, the high performance one weighed 264 grams, and the Eagle F1s in 28 measured 310. And that's with the 120 TPI, and the Eagle F1 Super Sports were 150 TPI. These tires, the Eagle F1 ZIPP things, they're 29. They measured 280 grams on my scale. On the Goodyear website, they're 270 grams, but on the ZIPP website, they say 270 and 290 grams. So if your tire weighs anything from 270 to 290, you're kind of in the accurate. But 120 TPI, which is why I think they're a lot more like the Eagle F1R tires, but in measuring in 29, they weigh less than the supposed 28s that you can buy for general market use. So there's also the Vector R Z30 NSW. Now these are the new Eagle tires for the ZIPP 353 NSWs or the 303 Firecrest. They supposedly come in at 150 TPI at 280 grams, and they measure 30. So, I think they're kind of an amalgamation of the Super Sport and F1, which is what I think these pretty much are. So I think it's a relatively good tire. I think the rolling resistance is pretty good. I haven't had it in the wet. But one thing I did notice about this tire, going from the 32 to this 29 specifically designed Areo tire, is it is much more safe in crosswinds. I had these in 20 mile an hour crosswinds 2 days in a row, and you still get blown around. These are still 58, 53 undulating, whale node wheels. But overall, it felt like there was less pressure on the wheel and just more comfortable and a really solid sailing effect. So, and I also took these on a little bit of gravel. They handled it just fine. After 100 miles, there's no nicks, nothing like that. In fact, the little fuzzy seam down the center is still there after 100 miles. These might be too compound. We might have a harder front, harder center, softer side. It has this texture, but it's smooth in the center. I'm kind of curious how that's going to wear down over time and what that looks like. But these tires, the closest competitor are the Conti Areo 111s in 29. Those tires MSRP for 120, these MSRP for 100. So I will do hopefully a long-term review on these and hopefully have good results. But that is just a high-level overview of the Goodyear Eagle F1R Z29 Areo fitment series for the ZIPP 454 of NSWs. Feel free to ask any questions. Again, these weigh 280 on my scale. They measure 29.5 on the wheels they're designed for. And overall, so far, good first impressions. They inflated with a track pump easily, and the packaging was pretty chill. So thanks so much, and thanks for stopping by.